Okay. There is a new gorilla tag update. I'm at the 7-day notice already, but let's just read it. The rumbling of the volcano is starting to settle down. Oh. 7 days are left to throw a swimming some rocks into the caldera and take a swim to truly become a lava monkey. I just skipped some of that, but oh my gosh. There's a volcano. And oh, there's a little one too. Nice. Oh my gosh. Wait, there's a little one over here. I normally check out the cosmetics, but I want to check this out. I just kind of want to check this out first. Wait, are these like the balloons? Like, oh my gosh, they are. Does it give any clue about these, or are they just like normal water balloons? Because they wouldn't just add rocks, wouldn't it? Lemon wouldn't just add rocks for no reason, right? It's starting to settle down, and now there are 7 days left to throw some rocks into the cloud. So, like, am I meant to throw rocks in that volcano? Oh, I can't throw that far. Maybe I can put, like, rocks in this volcano. Oh, what the heck? Okay, I'll check that out later. Let's check out the cosmetics first. That's something we all want to check out. So let's go check out the cosmetic icon. Let's all go check out the cosmetics first. Okay. Cosmetics first. Okay, reveal. Oh my gosh, forest lava. Oh my gosh. It gave a slingshot. Yes. And also, if you're wondering why I'm late to this update, because I was concentrated, I wasn't like, I've already bought this. Because I forgot to make a video because I was focused on the VR event. Yes, that looks cool. A mug, I think. Don't know what this is. Yes, we got that bird. What is? Umbrella. Yeah, that's everything. I used to. Oh. Yeah. Okay, let's go check this all out. Okay, right. Let me leave a sign says. Today, my invention is a volcano. Okay, umbrella. Woo, umbrella. Oh my gosh. It moves a lot. Oh, and it also goes down the pole. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, we are all ready for the volcano. Bird. We got a bird. Oh, it blows out lava. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Wait, it's a pepper. Oh, I just ate it. Okay. Wind is dangerous. Yeah. Whoa! 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 That was weird. Ooh. Oh, I hit the lava. I just put it out to my ear for no reason. It's acting dumb, but I can hear the lava. Time to drink some lava. Fresh lava drink. Woo! Oh, it's on this smooth too. But it is quite hot. Yeah. It's a lava. Oh, I swear that just let something off. Oh. I knew it was gonna do something like that. Because, like, The thing in the paintball update, which I didn't film because that's not when I started this YouTube channel. You started this YouTube channel after that. But I knew this was gonna do this because it looked like okay. And a slingshot, which will probably be like any other slingshot, right? Hopefully. How many shiny rocks? Only 400. Well, I ain't getting any of these cosmetics, sadly. What is that? It's like a tooth or something. It's like a flaming tooth! I'm pretty sure that's leaving too, which I'm not spending money on this game. Okay. Or maybe I should just... no. Now let's go back to the volcano. So, the lava rised when I put the rocks in it. So, just put rocks in the volcano. Oh, what the heck? Oh, there's a nuke. There's a nuke. Ah! What is that? Is it erupting? Oh! Oh my god. Run. Run. In the treehouse. Go! Go! It's rising! Does it not go any further? Okay, phew. Okay, I can drop down then. Wow, will I turn into a lava monkey? Yeah, I'll try that in a infection lobby. I'll get someone else to see if I turn into a lava monkey. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Wait, do I just swim in it like water? Oh my gosh, I do. Wow, that is so cool. Okay, let's see if I turn into a lava monkey when I'm in infection mode. So I'll go and get somebody from around. Okay, so now do I become a lava monkey? I'm in infection state, and it doesn't look like I am. Yes, I don't. I was expecting it. Well, that's disappointing. Bro, are you serious? Oh, the lava monkey. Okay, so I guess bye guys.